Hello everyone, my name is Mark and this is Marika.
And welcome to our channel, Touch of Magic. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button.
Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel by clicking on the subscribe button.
So Mark, we're baking again today. What have you planned for us?
I think you're gonna love this one. It's a true Disney Park classic. We're gonna make Tigger Tails.
Oh, I sure would love those. I love marshmallows, I love caramel, I love chocolate. It's gonna be a winner, instant.
Tigger Tails are just not just for the Disney parks. You can use them for your theme parks related party or another party. Be creative and put some colors on it so you can make your own twist on it.
Do you have any examples?
Yes, you can use black or red for Mickey, or black red with some dots of white to make a mini version.
So, Mark, Tigger Tails. What do we need?
So we need some marshmallows,
Obviously.
some white chocolate, some brown sugar,
Dark brown sugar.
some butter, condensed milk, some orange sugar, homemade,
These are really easily made at home, but we'll explain it to you later.
colors, red and yellow for the orange, and some wooden sticks for the marshmallows, and some dark chocolate for the
Decoration.
So let's start with the caramel, and we need butter, condensed milk, brown sugar.
Okay, let's put
You
it
can
on.
melt it.
Oh, it's on. I also need a mix.
Yes.
Okay.
Butter in it.
The first thing is butter. Put it in the pan. And wait until it's melted, right?
Yes, wait until it melts.
Here.
And well, the marshmallows on the stick.
We put on 4 marshmallows per stick.
4, yes.
4. Yeah, that's what it said. And that's what it looks like on me.
I think it's melted enough.
And now the brown sugar.
Yes.
If this goes too fast for you, make sure to follow us on Instagram. We put the recipe on our Instagram account. It's @Magic. Okay, and now stir until it's fully mixed, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's very fast. Okay, I need to do this quick.
I open the condensed milk thing. So you can put it on.
It has all these bubbles. Is that?
It's okay. It's the butter.
Does this look okay to you?
It's look okay for me, yes.
It's not bad that they're still like sugary.
No, it's not bad. Put condensed milk on it. In it.
Needs to boil.
Yes, and mix. Sure everything.
Oh, you're way
Mix it.
better at this than I am.
Ready. Our caramel is ready. It smells very good. First warning. If you're gonna think you can a piece of it, you will burn your mouth on it. It's very hot.
I wanted to try it.
Yes.
So it's
It
warning
smells
for
very
me.
good. It's warning for you.
For the
For everyone.
viewers.
For everyone.
How does it look like?
Like so.
It looks a bit like caramel mixed with milk. And now we need to wait to cool it off.
Not too fast, but it would be hard. Melt our chocolate. In the meantime, I will put the caramel on the tails. The white chocolate for you.
I need that.
And I have some baking paper.
He's ignoring me on purpose, I think. So we're gonna melt the chocolate au bain-marie stuff. Do you think that's enough?
I think it's enough for now.
Okay, so I think I do need some glove because it's really hot. Beautiful matching croissant. Do you need this?
No, just...
I want them, it's very hot. You just burn it.
Yes, I know.
He's giving me the warnings, but... So what are you doing?
I will make the temperature of the chocolate lower, so it will get a more...
By adding cold chocolate.
By adding cold chocolate, so it will be a more usable chocolate.
Chocolate what?
Melted chocolate. So we have the caramel is hard for now.
So the chocolate is now done.
Yes. I put some color in it, so it will be orange.
And you have the colors red, yellow and blue. You can make almost every color. Can I do that? I really want to do that.
What, mixing?
Yes?
Yes, you can do. From white chocolate to orange chocolate now.
Do you think it's orange enough?
It's light orange, I think. Last time.
Maybe just a little bit red. Look at the color. And look
nice
at that
orange color.
and look at the consistency.
So for now, we're gonna put the sugar on it, so it can...
I think the spatula is our best friend. I think this color looks great. And now it's time for the last decoration. And now they're really hard and they're ready for the next step.
Yes.
Which is giving the tiger its stripes.
The stripes. And we will do that with dark chocolate.
In the meantime, while we wait, who is your favorite Winnie the Pooh character?
I think Winnie.
Winnie?
Yes.
Like from the shirt.
Yeah, that's Winnie.
Not Winnie. I think my favorite is...
Tell us, what's your favorite?
I'm really doubting because I really like all of them.
You can
But
like all of them.
I like all of them. I think Tigger is my favorite. Yeah.
Yeah? Tigger is your favorite?
Yeah, I think so. Do you think it's melted?
I think it's melted.
So now we can give the tigers its stripes.
With tempered cold chocolate.
Oh.
That's what we did with the white chocolate first. And that's melted and we can get the stripes on the Tigger Tail.
That looks pretty good. Do I need to hold it like this?
Yes,
Do I need
this one too.
You're making it very hard for me. So send us your pictures on Instagram at Touch of Magic. We're really curious what you have made. Maybe some really creative we will share on our Instagram. You can also put us in your story on Instagram or tag us in your Instagram post. And we'll see. This seems pretty set, these.
Yes, you can put it down.
Oh, thank God, because this is a very...
Heavy. Wow.
It's pretty heavy.
I will give you this one.
I think this one is set too.
So should we taste one?
Yes. Like this or like
like this.
Okay, you first. Yummy.
It's like a magnum without ice cream, within marshmallow. I like it.
Oh, it's so sweet.
It's too sweet.
It's too sweet.
One is enough. Oh, I like it.
I like it. It's perfect for your birthday party or something, or as a treat. So, we've made these. I'm actually pretty happy about the result. We hope to see you in the next video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And comment. You can also comment in the YouTube videos what you have made.
Yes.
Really curious.
So I will say bye.
Bye bye.